So lately I've been obsessed with irises. I keep seeing them everywhere and I'm just mesmerised by their beauty. I really wanted to try and capture that today in this painting. I've been working on a few iris pieces and there seems to be a little collection growing now. They will be available to purchase soon, so I'll let you guys know when they're ready. I'm using Water-Mixable oils today by Winsor & Newton, and I've been putting off trying them because, as you know, I love oils normally and use them a lot, but I was really surprised with how well I got on with them. They're super easy to clean up and it's so simple because all you need is water, which really helps when you're painting at home because there's no nasty chemicals or nasty smells. The colours blend really beautifully and they work just like regular oil paints, so they still take a while to dry. My plan with this painting is to get the basic shapes down on canvas using my brush, but then to go in with my palette knife to create some texture and try and add some interesting blends with the colours. I'm really envisioning lots of these little paintings all in different colours, so I can't wait to keep working on these paintings and add some more to the collection. Today's video is sponsored by Skillshare, so a huge thank you to them. Skillshare is an online learning platform with thousands of videos where you can learn anything from photography to painting to running an online business. There are tons of painting videos, which is why I love it. So if you're looking to try something creative but you're a little bit nervous to get started, Skillshare is the perfect place to learn as it really coaches you through. One of the videos that I found really inspiring is called Botanical Illustration, Paint a Colourful Garden with Watercolour and Gouache by an artist called Sarah. And you get to follow her around as she sketches from life, and I find that really inspiring to see another artist working in that sort of environment. Skillshare have been kind enough to offer a 2-month free trial, so I'll pop all the information for that and some of my favourite classes in the description box, so you can go and check that out.